So Performance Max is going to be tricky because it always is going to be highly dependent upon omni-channel traffic.
So I'll just ask the maybe one or two questions then.
Yeah.
The first one is actually talking about a video. It's Kasim's video is how long will Performance Max take to start working, and basically just talks about how Performance Max has no fixed timeline, and before, which is like 90 days to prove success for like old Google Ads, it needs 4 to 6 weeks just to learn, and then after that, success depends on your specific business. This is kind of like the gist of the video. Now the question is, I'm running my first ever Performance Max campaign. Should I just wait then with the same budget all 4 to 6 weeks, or increase if sales increase as well?
So Performance Max is going to be tricky because it always is going to be highly dependent upon omni-channel traffic. It's approximate, but a Performance Max dedicates approximately 40% of its daily ad spend to warm traffic targeting, which means people who are already on your site. If you have a high amount of organic and high amount of paid social to the site right now, Performance Max will start working day 2 with 95% efficiency. It won't take longer than 2 days. Now, so if you have a lot of omni-channel traffic, it'll start immediately looking good. But what you have to answer is, who is it targeting? This is where a third-party attribution software comes into play. If you don't know if it's warm or cold traffic, you'll be forever dead in the water. And that's the bad part, is if it's warm traffic, it will always look good until you try to scale it outside of its existing user-based targeting, which means if there's 100,000 people going to the website every day, PMax doesn't start to quote unquote work on its own until 20 grand a day in ad spend. Now, up to 1 to 19,000, it's going to look fantastic. 5, 6, 700% ROAS, sure, why not? Because there's people already there ready to buy. The question is, does it work? It needs to be finalized to when does Performance Max find its own audiences to organically grow demand rather than capture existing website demand. So how does it generate demand versus capture demand? And that is going to be the amount of omni-channel. Now, if it's really binary, if it's no other traffic, yeah, 45 to 60 days, good. Hold tight until it looks good. Once it looks good, start to scale. If you have a lot of website traffic, you have to continually scale that until it starts to look worse and then pull back to see, does it have any effect and can it grow on its own?
I'd like to talk to you about the timeline for Google Ads success, updated for Performance Max. First, egg on my face, because if you're anywhere on our website or anywhere on our video properties, you'll see is a ubiquitous truth, 90 days. And we've been saying this for years, and it's been true for almost a decade.